legal landscape has changed for Florida attorneys. So what is the impact on clients? Mark Anidjar, partner with the law offices of Anidjar and Levine accident attorneys, along with Shire Patel. Gentlemen, welcome back.
Thank you for having us, as always.
Kind of a pickup from our conversation that we had prior. Yep. We were talking about how there was a big change made recently, and you're dealing with a lot of questions. People want to have answers about how to fix them. Where do we begin?
So the two biggest components, obviously, are the change in the statute of limitations. What that basically means is how long you have to make a claim. And prior to the change in the law, we had 4 years to bring forth a cause of action. So you had 4 years to kind of see how you're doing medically, see how you're rehabbing, and had a little bit more time to make decisions. If it was an uninsured motorist claim, we had 5 years, right? That was a contractual claim. Now they've limited all claims to 2 years. So by shortening that window, it kind of limits your ability to make decisions medically, because most people, sometimes you make a quick recovery. Sometimes you're dealing with surgeries and rehab and complications associated with those surgeries. So now it kind of limits our ability to resolve these claims, because we have to throw them into litigation a little sooner rather than later, because we have to deal with that challenge of that shortened window for when we can bring forth a claim.
And of course, you know, you're being able to kind of like ease minds. I know we spoke in the last segment, there were a lot of litigations that you were able to get filed to get grandfathered in, but these changes, I mean, it can kind of be intimidating for someone who's in a situation and perhaps they're injured and dealing with these medical bills.
No, right. And to touch on the litigation that we spoke about earlier, you know, we hear litigation and every client thinks, oh my gosh, I'm going in a courtroom, you know, I'm going to trial. No, there's much more to litigation than that. There's interrogatories, depositions, mediation, discoveries, like we call it. So we will guide you through that whole process. Like Mark touched on earlier, rehabbing, getting your medical care is important. We'll handle all the litigation part and the medical bills.
And to touch on what he says, like now more than ever, knowing that your the law firm you hire actually goes to court or litigates cases is more important. Because if you have an attorney who really has never litigated a case or gone to a courtroom, and now he's forced under that shortened window to file a lawsuit, you might want to make sure he's prepared and he's not handing you off to a co-counsel or referring you out to another attorney who typically does the litigation, because his office doesn't handle that. And to touch on what he said, litigation shouldn't be scary. There's really only 4 instances where the client has direct involvement. Most of the stuff we do for you. And we touched on interrogatories, which is a series of questions that you answer, and we can do that in my office fairly easily. On IME, independent medical exam, that's when you're going to the insurance company's doctor, and their job is to look you over and say it's all not related to the accident, it's all because of your prior conditions, which you don't have. And that's just kind of how the game is played. And then lastly, your mediation, which is going to a mediation and trying to work it out. Usually a retired judge or an attorney is sitting there hearing both sides. And I forgot to touch on a deposition. A deposition, I always tell my clients, an attorney usually knows the answer to every question he asks. He just wants to see how honest you're going to be. So we always want to be truthful, never embellish or over-exaggerate, but just answer the question honestly, and that'll put us in the best position to be successful. So IME, deposition, interrogatories, mediation, 4 simple things that we would need your involvement for. So litigation should not be daunting. It's not the trials that you see on TV that, you know, the Jack Nicholson, you know, you need me on that wall. No, it's not that fancy, so to speak.
And I'm assuming, you know, listening to you come from this, you know, like a don't be intimidated to give a call. I'm assuming this comes from experience. People are already dealing with injuries. You have the stress of an accident. You're getting calls from the insurance company. You're kind of thinking, I don't want to deal with another component. It's only going to make it more stressful. That should not be the case.
So my daughter's applying to colleges. So she's 17 years old. So then at the same time, I realized that's how long I've been a lawyer and more than that. So like, you know, you don't realize how gray you're getting, but unfortunately, we've been there, we've done that. It's just something that it's second nature to us, and you know, Shire's been doing it just almost as long, so it just comes natural, and that's our job. Our job is to make the frightening comfortable and make you realize that it's not so daunting. We should be able to do this for you.
Well, I appreciate our conversations as always. If you want to have some conversations, more importantly, if you have questions, have been injured in an accident, go ahead, get in touch with the law offices of Anidjar and Levine accident attorneys. There's the phone number, there's the website. Gentlemen, look forward to our next conversation.
For sure.
Thank you.